Sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng sales force natin mula po sa Training Management Unit, ako po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagsusumikap sa nakaraang taon. Naway ang pagpasok ng 2016 ay magsilbing bagong pag-asa sa pagharap natin sa panibagong hamon. Dahil dumating na ang tamang panahon. Mabuhay po kayong lahat!
Ma'am, sir, kayang-kaya niyo po yan. Andito lang po kami para tulungan po namin kayo.
Good luck, God bless you.
Magandang umaga, sales! Kami sa Customer Advocacy Department ay naniniwala sa inyong kakayahan na ma-hit ang target this year. We're all in this together! I love you!
To Elan Vital Sales, we can build this together.
To our Elan Vital sales team, we have your back.
Dream! Believe! Rock and roll!
To Elan Vital Sales, you can do it.
Go, go, go! Push! Achieve!
To Elan Vital Sales, good luck.
Sales pa more! Benta pa more!
First of all, Happy New Year. 2016 is going to be exciting, and I am confident that the sales team can deliver what is in store for everyone. So let's all go to work and hope that you achieve your targets for this year.
Sir and ma'am, kaya niyo po yan. We are here to support you.
Achieve!
At your service po.
Mula sa aming mga piloto, we will take you there.
Elan Vital, ito